Well, since it's your birthday today, and I had to give you something, I couldn't think of what better than memories. So, here are a few throwback memories of you and a lot more beautiful people in your life who just want to remind you of how much you are loved and what a difference you've made to people's life. And as far as I'm concerned, well, mothers and daughters, that's another story for another time, maybe. I hope you like what we've put together for you. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
Happy birthday, love.
Happy birthday, Pranoti ma'am. How nice. हाँ 50 साल के होने लगे हो 50th start. Imagine what a boom. हाँ a very happy birthday. Thank you so much, so much for giving me everything I needed. These 3 years have been like a roller coaster ride and I loved it. And you were there every time. This time we really miss you. मोया करोना अगर नहीं होता तो कितना अच्छा होता हम तुम साथ होते मज़े कर रहे होते हाँ Happy birthday, ma'am. This is really great, and I wish we could be in person together now. Enough is enough. Please. Happy birthday. Love you. Miss.
Hi Dee, many happy returns of the day. Hopefully I'll see you soon. I really miss you guys. Especially हमारे जो कश्मी की शादी के वाले दिन थे जब हम लोग रात को मट्ठी खाते थे उठ के अचार मट्ठी. I hope to see you soon Dee. Love you a lot and big hug.
So, ma'am, I just wish you loads of happiness. Stay blessed. Keep blessing us with your beautiful voice and presence. And I wish आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें expand करो. I see so many things, ma'am. You should make yourself like a brand, and I really wish to be part of that brand. Do a lot of design stuff for you. Trust me, you are blessed soul, ma'am. I can see that clearly. भगवान जी भी चुन चुन के बनाते हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ अस आर कनेक्टेड एंड ये होना ही था यू नो लाइक वी आर ऑल फैमिली at soul level I feel I wish so much of love to you. I have so much of gratitude. Thanks to Kashvi and Renu ma'am who introduced me to you. Thank you with all the settling down with my new home. Thank you so much for fixing things. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. That's Vian. Ma'am, we wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for coming into my life and fixing so many things. I know sometimes you may not be able to reply to us, but then you take care of our things. आप स्कैन करते रहते हो हर रोज़ किसके साथ क्या लफड़ा है और आप ठीक करते रहते हो. Thank you so much. I still remember that time. मैं first आई थी ऐसे dumbfounded and I was just so zapped by your aura. Gave you one words and you understood all the stories that were there with me. So thank you so much, ma'am, for fixing all of that. I would say I have come एक साल ही हुआ होगा but there have been so many things that you have helped me. Thank you. Ma'am, there are so many thank yous. I hope you would understand. कितनी सारी चीज़ें हैं. Vian is also saying thank you. Thank you. Say happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Prano.
Wish you happy birthday, Didi. Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Pranati Mom.
We love you.
I'm very thankful for everything you're doing for our family. Happy birthday.
Yay! Happy birthday.
Sometimes in life you know what you have to do but somehow you can't do it. आपको रास्ता पता होता है लेकिन आपको उस पर चलने की हिम्मत नहीं होती या somehow आप चल नहीं पाते. And Pranoti ma'am, you have been the person who actually held my hand and took me to walk on that path. Since the time I heard about you and when I met you, I don't know what, there was a connection that I felt with you and it's just gotten stronger by each day. thank you so much. Thank you so much for being that guiding star, that strength in my life, and blessing me and my family so much. We all feel it every day. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, a long, healthy, and a beautiful life to be with us forever. Thank you so much, ma'am. Love you.
many happy returns of the day પ્રણો. મારા તરફથી, ફુવા તરફથી, રાજીવ, અંશિતા તરફથી તને હેપી બર્થડે ટુ. જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ બેટા, ખુશ રહ્યો.
हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रणति जी. गॉड ब्लेस यू. We value your this relationship we have with you, and we all appreciate it. Once again, wishing you a happy birthday. God bless you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, boss lady. That's how I see you. You're the coolest person I know, and you inspire me every day. I just want to tell you I admire you a lot, and of course, you've given me my best friend. So I love you a lot.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear ma'am. Happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मैम. मैम, मैं आपसे कभी मिली तो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मैं आपसे बहुत बार मिल चुकी हूँ. एक स्पेशल बॉन्ड है जो हम शेयर करते हैं. So much blessings to you, so much happiness, health to you on your birthday. Thank you so much for your blessings, your love, and everything you do for us. Happy birthday once again.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Pranati. May you have a great day ahead. I love you. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Pranati, I'm wishing you a happy birthday filled with love, laughter, and lots of happiness. And may you blessed with all the things that your heart desires, with lots of love. Have a blissful year.
Hello, happy birthday to you. Oh man, I will say she's my lifeline.
Hello, happy birthday, ma'am. God bless you. Love you a lot.
Hello ma'am, wish you a very happy birthday. Wishing you galaxy of peace, happiness, abundance, and good health always. Thank you for everything, for what all you have done for me and my family. Thank you for being always on my side. Truly blessed to have you. May all the angels and all the gods and goddesses shower their most auspicious blessings on you today and always. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday to you. I wish you happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dearest man. Love you loads. Much love from Kamal, Krishi, Vihan and me.
के माड़ी तू तो आदि ने अनादि देवी एक छो. This is exactly what my heart feels for you. This is exactly what you mean to me. You are the world to me. You are my Devi Shakti. I am because of you. I get overwhelmed every time I want to say something about you. Have a happy birthday, ma'am. Have a happy birthday. I am who I am is all because of you. Thank you so much for everything. May God give you more and more and more of what you've given all of us, what you've given me. A life to breathe, a life to live, a life to love. Thank you so much for all the blessings that you've given me and Man. Have a happy birthday, ma'am.
Dear Pranoti, wish you a very very happy birthday. Lots and lots of love and good wishes to you on this special day of yours. And thank you for always being there for me and my family. Thank you. Love you. Bye.
हम जो भी करते हैं कुछ पाने की चाह में होती है खुशी, पूरी हो जब वो चाहते होती है खुशी, पूरी हो जब वो चाहते। कुदरत का करिश्मा है जो कभी न रोया दिल, ये समझ न धोखा है, मिल जाएगी हर मंजिल। मैं चाहूँ ये मैं चाहूँ वो, मेरा नसीब है जो वो मिल जाए। झूमे दिल खुशी के मारे, मिल जाए अगर वो चांद वो तारे। Happy birthday, Pranoti. Have a super, super, super year. You know what that song was for.
Hello, ma'am. This is Neeta Hemrajani here. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. And thank you for all you have done for us, and gratitude for being there for us, guiding us, especially in such pandemic times and our personal needs. Whenever we need you, you're always there. And may Shiva and Shakti always guide, shine their blessings, shower their blessings on you, ma'am. And thank you, grateful, and we love you a lot, ma'am. Have a wonderful, lovely celebration with your family. Thank you.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Thank you for taking care of us so much. Love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Pranoti ma'am. Wish you the best of health and everything in life. Stay blessed and keep blessing us always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear man. Happy birthday to you.
Well, happy birthday, my love. What do I say about you? I can go on and on, but I think 3 years of my life with you, and they have been the most blissful, wonderful, lovely years. 3 years plus 4 years. Adding jealousies by him, insecurities of you talking to anyone else, you always being there with me, you blessing me with, and then this, my lovely darling. Well, I think that's, I can go on and on, ma'am. I think a 30-second video or a 20-second video or even a 30-day video will be less. So wish you a lovely, lovely, lovely birthday, and please start taking care of yourself, start prioritizing yourself, and love you to the core.
कुछ ही करो
तो विश तो करो।
माय फॉन्डेस्ट क्या भी मोस्ट चेरिश मेमोरी तो यही है, दिस गाय। थैंक यू फॉर दिस लिटिल बंडल और मैनी मोर टू कम।
And I heard you say fuck off to her the way you say fuck off to me, so thank you so much. I love that. I love that. ऐसी भी सुन लो।
Thank you man for blessing me with Kashmir, जो लड़ती रहती है मेरे नाल, झांसी की रानी, and a cutest guy, Rikin. Thank you so much.
Well, he is
Thank
yours.
you so much.
He is completely yours.
Yes.
Your prince, your Rikin, your, मैं सिर्फ जन्म देता लेकिन है मेरा। So, happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy
birthday.
Love you.
Bye.
बार बार ये दिन आए, बार बार ये दिल गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Lots of love.
All the happiness to you. Long life.
तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया। मैम का व्यक्तित्व उस विशाल वृक्ष की तरह है जिसने जिंदगी की धूप में चलते हुए हर राही को चैन और सुकून दिया है। हम छोटी छोटी शाखाओं की तरह उस वृक्ष से जुड़ चुके हैं। May we be in the shadow of your abundance always. Wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Prano. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy 48th birthday, Prano. May you get all that you desire for. Live long, live happy, live prosperous. My love and blessings always for you.
Hi ma'am, wishing you a very 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 happy birthday. You are an angel in each and everybody's life and I hope you continue to be so. आपकी presence हमारी life में is very very precious and means a lot to us. Thank you so much for being there. Happy birthday once again. God bless you. Keep smiling. Keep spreading your love. Be there with each one of us. You are an angel for us in our life. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Pranoti.
Happy birthday, Cookie Auntie. Bye, bye, bye,
Bye.
bye, bye.
We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet, and you won't ever be alone.